we must now prepare for hyperinflation. With the new raft of taxes approved yesterday, especially the fuel tax, we must prepare that even the little that remained of our monies will simply vanish. To our MPs who fought gallantly for the people in these times of difficulty, we salute you and we celebrate you. We believe Kenyans do too. We celebrate the fact that whereas the regime had said not even a comma would be removed from the bill, our MPs, while pushing for the millions of Kenyans, were able to force the regime to accept not one, not two, but several amendments. Sadly, those amendments did not include the dreaded double taxation, double rise in taxation of fuel, which is going to have a ripple effect on the cost of living. To the MPs who knowingly supported a bill overwhelmingly rejected by Kenyans, we say to you that the jury is out. Your day of reckoning will come. The writing is on the wall for this regime, and as the Bible tells us, and if I were to quote a certain member of this illegitimate regime, it is as the Bible says, mene mene tekel. We have decided to invite Kenyans to a consultation at the Kamukunji grounds next Tuesday, the 27th of June at 10 a.m., where the next course of action will be decided. Whenever, as a people, we have come together, we have always found a solution, even to our worst problems. This time will be not different. We believe that in the end, it is the people's voices that will prevail. The only time we have suffered longer than we should is only when we have allowed dictators to rule longer than they should. We must not let that to happen. The people can never be helpless in their own country against rogue leadership. Not in a democracy like ours, and not in the dictatorship they are trying to create. We want to remind Kenyans, our constitution, in the very first article, gives sovereignty to the people, which the people, even when they donate it to parliament, to the executive, or to any other organ, the people still retain the residual sovereignty, which we are asking people, let us come together next Tuesday, let us decide what kind of life we want to live. Thank you and God bless. And His Excellency, Raila Amolo Odinga, the People's President and our leader, is out on a short trip. He will be back by the meeting on Tuesday, and so is my brother, His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka.